Welcome to Grammar Made Simple. Successful writing involves sentences that are precise. Sentences have recipes. Just like a baker cannot guess his ingredients, we cannot guess how to make a sentence. So we're going to look at some simple grammar recipes such as yummy, simple, and compound subjects and predicates. A simple subject or noun is a person, place, or thing. A simple predicate or verb is the action in the sentence. What makes a subject or predicate compound are these three words, and, or nor. All right, so the children baked the pies. Children is the noun or subject. Baked is the action. Down the street rolled the cart. Rolled is the predicate or verb. Cart is the noun or subject. Carlos is a person. Carlos is the noun. Has ridden is the predicate. Eli and Adam are joined with the word and, making it a compound subject. Sat on stools. Sat is the predicate. Cooper is the simple subject. He's a person. Cannot speak or read French. Speak or read is joined by the word or, making it a compound predicate. Austin and Henry, that's the compound subject. Ran is the predicate. Let's cover objects for about 2 minutes. Direct object is the part of the predicate or verb that shows the action, while an indirect object, to whom or for whom, is receiving the direct object. Sounds complicated? It's really not. So, Matthew is the subject. Brought is the action or the predicate. What's the result of this action? Matthew brought a present is the direct object. In this case, you've got the same sentence, but it's identifying Leo, who's receiving the present. So Leo is the indirect object. The subject and predicate equals a clause. If the clause is a complete thought, then it is an independent clause. And if it's not a complete thought, it is a dependent clause or a fragment. Though William was tired is a dependent clause or fragment. William was tired, you can even put a period there because it is an independent clause, a complete thought.